Hi, in this video today I will show you how to create this beautiful pencil with a pepper rose and a butterfly. It's quite easy to make and then you can use it in a normal way for your handwriting. Okay, let's get started. You will need a scrap of paper. I choose the red one, and something to create the circle. I will use this, it's a cup of a yogurt vase. Okay, we will create our circle, and then with a pair of scissors we will cut the circle in this way. In order to create our pepper rose. It's a quite easy pepper rose. Okay, now we will need to create a sort of a spiral in this way. Till the center of the pepper circle, that will be the rose base. Okay, so now we have this, and now in order to create this wave we will do in this way. Okay, we cut the border giving to this border the waving effect. It's not important that it is perfect. Okay, okay, and then we are done. Okay, perfect. Yes, the result. Now with the brush we will use this, and then we will create our rose. Roll around the brush, roll around, roll around. Okay, now you can go ahead rolling till the end only with your finger, and then here our rose. Okay, if you want to you can do in this way, leave it, and then okay, here your rose. Now we need to glue the base of the rose. So press down the paper, press down, press down. Okay, here your final rose. Okay, leave it to dry. Okay, now because I was lucky enough to find a green pencil. I will put only this around my pencil. This is useful in order to glue our rose at the end. Okay, we will do in this way, and then okay, here our pencil. Now you can, here your rose, you can create a sort of leaves in this way and glue them, as you can see, on the bottom. Okay, okay, and then you will need to glue this and your paper rose. Leave it to dry and your pencil is ready. The last embellishment, a little butterfly, paper butterfly, that I create using this paper punch and some glitter paper. Voila! Here your pencil. It's quite nice, isn't it? Yes, and if you want, you can use a florist tape and to cover, in order to cover your pencil, or leave it in this way. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.